Hey folks, are you ready to elevate your life with some of the most remarkable devices on the market? We have a laser entertainment system ideal for sharpening your shooting skill, as well as a tactical jacket with everything you need to get through the day, and a drone with 5 cameras that can capture 360-degree video. All this and more is right here on Technotix. Vari Shot. You can have all the laser shooting fun you desire in the comfort of your own home with the Vari Shot. This comprehensive laser entertainment system includes a laser gun with great precision and a sensor-based electronic target. Vari Shot is an excellent way to enhance your shooting skills, whether you're a novice or an experienced shooter. The laser gun has a Class 1 laser beam, which is the safest laser level. The trigger pull and open sight are designed to meet the criteria of genuine weapons, ensuring that you use the gun safely. The electronic target has 6 different modes, so there's always something new to try. It also offers remote control and a shooting distance of up to 10 meters. The Vari Shot set is battery-powered, so you can carry it with you everywhere you go. It's a terrific method to enhance your talents while also having fun, and it's only $299. All of our products are listed in the description box. Don't forget to check out Dark Heat Tactical Jacket. The Dark Heat Tactical Jacket is the perfect way to stay prepared for anything your day may throw at you. You'll be able to take on anything with its adaptable design and many storage options. From the secret pocket, which is ideal for keeping your laptop or tablet, to the direct access unit, which provides quick and simple access to all of your necessities. The Dark Heat Tactical Jacket provides everything you need to get through the day comfortably. So whether you're hitting the woods or the office, you can be confident that your Dark Heat Tactical Jacket will keep you comfortable and stylish. It is priced at $179. AirTrick E-skate. Do you want a more efficient and comfortable method to navigate around town? With their electric skates, AirTrick provides the ideal option for you. These skates are tiny and lightweight, making them ideal for use in urban areas. They also have rubber foot pads and fast straps, making them simple to put on and take off. The skates also include abrasion-resistant wheels and a heel. But that's not all there is to the AirTrick. Electric skates are also equipped with proprietary dual 150-watt hub motors. They also have electric brakes for several riding modes and a remote control. You can use the remote control to stop the skates, ride forward or backward, and monitor your speed and battery life. There are 3 versions of the AirTrick electric skates, and they can hit a top speed of 17 miles per hour. They also have a range of up to 9.3 miles on a charge. You can buy this for $379. IPEVO UPLIFT. No matter what you're trying to capture on camera, IPEVO UPLIFT is a great tool to help you get the best possible image. Whether you're attempting to capture a presentation or a basic image snapshot, the camera's multi-jointed body and aluminum base allow you to easily adjust the camera to get the perfect shot. You may also view and change the live image on your smartphone with the iCam. So instead of settling for second best, purchase an IPEVO Boost to obtain the greatest image possible. Amazon has it for $59 right now. The links are included in the description. Urban Breeze. Have you ever wanted to try windsurfing but didn't want to get wet? With the Urban Breeze, you can now. This surfboard-shaped skateboard is ideal for street windsurfing, which many people have never done before. The board is 53 inches long and 12 inches broad, with 4 wheels for stability. It's also designed to work on a variety of surfaces, including concrete, asphalt, grass, and wet sand. With the option to install the mast in various places, users can adapt based on wind conditions, other levels of experience, and so on. Overall, the Urban Breeze is a terrific way for novices to learn the basics of windsailing without fear of falling into the ocean. However, it can also assist intermediate and advanced windsurfers improve their skills. You can get this for around $247. EXO 360. Are you interested in drones? Do you want to be at the forefront of technology? You should have a look at Queen P Robotics EXO 360 drone. This drone has 5 cameras that can capture 360-degree video. The footage can then be viewed using a virtual reality headset. The EXO 360 is available in 2 variants, a Pro and a Standard. The biggest distinction is that the Pro version has 4K cameras. The EXO 360 has an 18-minute flight time on a single charge and can withstand gusts of up to 15 miles per hour. It is also reasonably priced at $1,000 for the base edition. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please subscribe to Technotix. See you until next time.